Happy New Year, everyone. Good morning. Hope you had a good morning. Better morning than I did. Let's let some people get in here. It's been a rough morning for me. Unfortunately, the opening range trade was so good that I did not get filled on any of the accounts besides the one. And that completely changes the outcome of the day. I'll show you guys the opening range trade, how fast I got filled. The copy trader didn't even have time to put the orders out. And then I lost an account that was ready up for withdrawal. And those are the things we just can't allow to happen if you want to be successful. But that was my start to the year, and I hope you guys had a better start. Obviously, a trending day is my enemy, so today is not a good day for me when it comes to price action. But at least I realized that, and I didn't copy trade, so that's good. But the copy trader, the fact that the copy trader didn't work for the opening range trade just ruined the whole entire day. And it is what it is. We just got to move on. But it completely changes the outlook for my payout. It's crazy how one tiny split second makes the whole difference between 16,000 and like 20,000 or maybe even $24,000. 1 second difference. And why you say 1 second? Well, it's because the copy trader didn't have enough time to put the orders out at 9:30. That's how fast I got filled into the opening range trade. Because the account I lost would have been well above the profit threshold, and I wouldn't have traded it again. So, no, I'm not gonna request today. I'm gonna request on Friday everything all together. Well, now I'm gonna be disappointed because I don't know how much I could even get out. I was looking for a much bigger payout to start January because I had like a 14K payout end of December, and now I'm gonna get only like, I feel like haven't made any profit, but I guess it's because I don't know. I don't know what's happening, but just not this start to the year I was looking for. Just gotta slowly. Just very frustrated this morning, that's all. But can't let that affect too much, you know. Hope you guys had a good day though. There was definitely a difficult price action to get used to after a very slow 2 weeks. Nice. That's a good runner. I wish I could get a runner like that. I tried to short here and actually let it run. Of course, it was stalling, so I missed this bigger move. But I'm trying to get this account close to payout. Trying to get this account close to payout. I'm at 2100, 2200 basically. So I am so disappointed. Let me show you guys the opening range trade before I trade some more. All right. So how my opening range trade works is I put the order out at 9:30. It's a local order at 9:30. It's actually at 9:29:59. It goes live. And today it did not work. So we have a minute till the open, right? So pay attention to this. Actually, no. What? Wait a minute. Wow. So how did I not get filled? Oh my God. Wait a minute. I know what happened. No. Wait, what? I am so confused at this moment. This is why I record the trades, because sometimes I don't even know what the hell happened. Why does it say Apex here? I am not trading an Apex. I'm trading a PA Apex account. Is this the right video? Oh no, this is the wrong video. That's why. I was gonna say. I got scared for a second. Wait, did I not save the video from today? Wait, did I not save? Don't even tell me. Well, I still have it in there. Okay, never mind. I still got it. All right, so basically same concept. 9:29 is when my order goes out. It's gonna, the market opens here, right? So the market opened. Let's see what happened. So market opened, and why? Why on earth do I only have one sell order here? Why do I have only one sell order? That is the question for $2,000 right now. I should have the same amount of orders that I had for buy, I should have for sale. And I get filled. So that was the problem today. It makes absolutely zero sense. The orders just didn't go through. It really ruins my week. How? How is that possible that all the buy orders go through, but the sell orders don't? It's beyond me. To be honest, 'cause Now I'm so annoyed. I thought it was because there was not enough time. Now I am super pissed. Like, how is that even possible? Look, guys. 86 is the account I was trading. If I place an order here, see? It works. All the orders show up. I know you can't see all of them, but all the orders show up. So why the hell did it not show up then? Unbelievable. That would have been... I don't know what to do. All right, I'll place it long and short. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, I see what you're saying. See, now it goes through. So, like, why does it make that noise first? Oh, it's delayed. But why would it? Why is it making that noise? So you can't hear it, but I hear it. So if you're familiar with Quant Tower, see, it makes that. There must be a blown account in the copy trader, maybe. But no, like, it wouldn't even show up in here. So yeah, the buys are still there. I do this every case style. I do this every single morning. But why is it doing that? See, now it didn't do it. Now it did it. What the hell? Why all the orders are still there? Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's correct. Wait, is it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, it's 9 accounts. So which account is not working? That's what I want to know. Oh, because the one I blew was in there. Okay, so let's try that again. Yeah, so now it's working fine. But where did my orders go? Now my order window is gone. Great. Oh man, what a start to the year. But yeah, so it still doesn't. Why is there a delay between the orders? That's not good. Like, why does it take so long? See, now it didn't. Now it went quick. This is crazy. I feel like technical issues are at least 30% of our failures, to be honest, with these prop firms. Oh well, what are we gonna do? Can't complain. They still pay, right? So We just gotta hope we don't get caught in the bad technical issues. It's actually incredible how that could even happen, but yeah, NQ Addict. So for me this morning is a difference of like at least $4,000 of payouts on Friday because of the issue that I just had. That's how much money it actually costed me, and that's why it's so frustrating. But I just gotta look past it, I guess. I don't want to be frustrated on day number 1 of the year, but I am. And of course it's like the day is super volatile. It can't be like the day I read the price action really well and not worry about it. It's the day that I really needed the opening range trade to work, so that way I wouldn't have to touch those accounts and I wouldn't have been caught in this dump, even though I don't even know how I traded it, to be honest. My trades didn't go through, and I have no idea why. Only one account out of 9 got put into a trade. It's like I'm still okay for payouts, but not as many now. Because I lost one account that was at payout. Like $100 away from payout. So the account I lost here was basically at payout. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have $16,000 in payouts. I might have to take that. I cannot risk a single penny out of these accounts. And then hopefully I could get, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hopefully I get these two to pay out and then get a 20K payout, and then I'll be happy. But you see why I can't risk more money out of those accounts. How fast things could really go from a withdrawal to gone because the market moves so fast. Like, it's crazy, but we knew that was going to happen after New Year's. It's not, the volatility is not the problem. It's whatever happened with Quant Tower today. If you were just tuning in, my opening range trade this morning, I don't know, I could show that better. You guys could see it. You see how it's one sell order? And look at all the buys. That means the sell order did not work. And look how fast I would have made. Look how fast I would have made $303. So it would have been, what, $2,700? Look how fast. So the market's about to open in 10 seconds here. Filled in and out. That would have been $2,700, but instead it was $300 because again, the sale orders just didn't go through, and I have no idea why, and I'll never know. But it is what it is. Eric and I already took more payouts than Patrick in 2023. So I could brag that I'm the best trader on YouTube. Although I don't think I am. I'm sure there's someone else that got bigger payouts. He brags about that way too much for being, just average. What do you think about Patrick making more with YouTube than trading? What do you mean? What do I think about it? I think that's amazing. I mean, if you didn't know that, then you must be new to YouTube, or new to Patrick, but he's been making money on YouTube for a long time. He's a millionaire from YouTube, and I think that alone is a great accomplishment. He's an entertainer. He's not a trader. He's an entertainer. If you guys watch video games and people play Call of Duty, for example, you have someone like Dr. Disrespect, not a great gamer, but he gets more views and makes more money than most good gamers out there. And, he's an entertainer, and good for him. I mean, I would love to make $1 million on YouTube and make $40,000 trading. I'll take that because it's a lot less. I mean, it's still stressful, but it's a lot less pressure, And he's good at what he's doing, and he's always gonna get deals. He's always gonna get sponsorships. He's been through a lot of crap. I've known Patrick for 7 years now, so who changed payout from 500 to 1K? I didn't hear about any changes, so let me know who changed that. On what platform? Do I think ICT traders are legit? No. Way too big of a clan to be legit. Octavio, he's just a character. So his name is Dr. Disrespect, and he'll, talk trash to his viewers. But that's actually a character. So he is very known for that, and he rarely ever breaks character. There'll be very few instances here and there that he will break character, but typically he's really, even when he's out in public, like he will dress up and all that. So it's pretty cool. I mean, he's got 40,000 people watching him, and he's just average gamer. he gets these new kids to play with him, and they'll get 30 kills. He'll get 5 kills in the same game, but he gets way more viewers. He's fun to watch. I like him. But it's the point of Patrick making good money on YouTube. I mean, that's why he's on YouTube, guys. Like, anyone that's on YouTube wants to make money on YouTube eventually. Like, there's a lot of new people that go on YouTube sharing their journey, right? But the end result is to make some kind of profit on it. I mean, why would I share my trading and my personal life on YouTube if I wasn't trying to make a little bit extra? It's not gonna be a lot in my case, right? I don't think I have. You really have to sell yourself to get to a level that Patrick or Matt got themselves to. I don't think I could get there, but I'm focused more on trading. But if I make extra money on YouTube, then so be it. And anyone could do it. So that's why I don't think it's but yes, who said about the payout rule, the $1,000 change? I've never seen it, never heard anyone talk about it, so I'm kind of confused as to what prop firm they're referring to. If it's Apex, that's not a big deal, but if it's like other prop firms that don't have, but hit that thumbs up for me, guys. Let's get the stream going on the right side of things for the year at least. I request full 2,000, so I don't really care about $500 or 1,000, but today is a big sell off, so yeah. Because someone said they changed the payout to 1,000, so I'm confused why they said that. But how is everyone else doing? Yeah, I could care less anyway about that kind of change. Like, some people worry about the little changes. To me, that would not make a difference. I really couldn't care less. Oh, Slaya is here. Slaya, did Apex change anything about the payout? Oh, I could check that too. I forgot. Mm, actually, I can't. I would have to try, but I'm not going to. Like, I could try doing it, but I mean, I got nice payouts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna request those on Friday. What a sell-off today. Very dangerous. Jose, no, I would not congratulate me because scroll to the bottom for what? I mean, we did have a sell-off on Friday, right? So I guess that kind of set things off. Oh, we don't see the links. When you post the link, no one sees it. I mean, I guess like on the 25K accounts, um, 500 might be okay, but I don't know. I'm not worried about that. I am so disappointed in my copy trader this morning. Oh, I feel like I've made no progress over the last 2 weeks because I had a 14K payout end of December. I could have requested 14K on December 20th, and I didn't for tax purposes. And I feel like I'm getting the same payout now, but I guess I grew the other account a little bit. So I did make progress. I just didn't make any progress for payouts. But I've lost 2 accounts already that were at payout. So it's like, that's 4 grand right there, I guess. Oh, thank you, Uki. I appreciate that. Just be careful with the accounts. Don't lose them too fast. Yeah, Apex did say that they're not going to do a 90% off for a while. So people have to realize that 90% off should be once in a while type of thing because we get too accustomed to it, and we just had it all of November, and where are all those accounts, you know? Commissions have changed? No. Commissions have not changed. Oh, on Trader Rate? Oh, okay. Let me check out Nutty Stream.
Patrick wouldn't be streaming on YouTube for only 89K a year. He's making probably 10 times that on with his partnership with Top Step, I would assume. Which I'm also very curious. Didn't he say that his Top Step um didn't he say that his Top Step contract ends?
Wait, what are you guys saying? Kind of bad form to not notify us. Are you sure, Alpine? It's all over Nutty Stream. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Commissions? Oh, okay. There's no way commissions doubled.
This past week was just a negotiating tactic. I think he's staying with Top Step. If he is not, then I think he's probably going to go to like my funded futures. I would think that would be like the likely place that he would go. Um, that's just speculation though. What happened with the trade of Apex commissions, Alpine? Yeah, I'm trying to figure out. Seems like no one really knows, unfortunately. But basically, the trade of commissions went from what is the exact amount here? Let me look. I had it somewhere here. So it used to be $3 round trip, and now it's $5.58 round trip,
Holy crap.
which is kind of crazy. So I think Apex is trying to get to the bottom of it and trying to figure out how that happened. Obviously, yeah, I think that's pretty crazy.
That is wild. Oh man. A lot of surprises this morning, I guess. Yeah. I have no idea. I'll talk about it when I figure out what happened or what's the reason for it, if it's on purpose. I don't use Tradeovate, so I have no idea. But Tradeovate commissions were the best, and they should not be raised. They should have not been raised without notifying people, I don't think, but so something must have happened. I'm over here just trying to make some money, and I just am so disappointed with this morning, guys. Losing that one account definitely puts me on. I don't know. I think Patrick might stay with Top Step. I think Top Step's got the most money. But Take Profit Trader, I know they do really well too. Um, who knows? Who knows? Let him do whatever he wants. My goal is to get more payouts than him. All right, we're chopping around a little bit. It's much easier to make scalps. My commissions are the same for my. I made the same. 303 is what I always made on 21 ticks on 3 contracts. Oh, let me try now. We'll find out. We'll take one tick trade here and we'll find out. So right now we're at 273.16. I should make around $1 on one tick of profit. Yeah, so it's still the same. On Rhythmic, it's still the same. That's one way to check commission cost. I don't know, guys. We have to be cautious with everything, and at the end of the day, the prop firms have to make money. So if they made the rules too easy and too many people were getting payouts, they might have to make them a little bit harder, and there's got to be a balance. There's got to be a balance. I have no idea what the balance sheets look like for these prop firms. I'm assuming they're profitable, but 15 million in payouts in 1 month is no joke. I don't know what they did in December, but I feel like Apex with the 90% off sale actually might make less money because they're getting a lot more payout requests. Because there's a lot more accounts purchased. So there's more odds that someone that might not even be profitable long term is going to get to a payout with the 90% off sale because they're just going to keep trying. All right, we're getting a bounce here. Tia, I'm all right. Not the best at start to the year, but just day one out of 366 days, right? Well, it's day number 2, I guess, of 366. I'm not going to dwell on it too much. The copy trader didn't work this morning. And I missed out on $2,600 worth of profit. Well, no, $2,400 worth of profit. Nutty Wheeland, for me, it was the sell orders didn't go through. The buy orders did go through. And I got filled on the sell. and only one account got filled. It was the most bizarre thing I've ever seen with the copy trader. So luckily I had it on video because what I thought happened wasn't actually what happened. So having it on video and being able to rewatch it later, I was able to figure out that something happened. Quant Tower has its own. Apex is only for Ninja. I only trade it in Q, yes. If I had to choose another instrument, it would be YM. I'm not a fan of CL. Just not used to the price action. But I know a lot of people trade CL, so if you're good with it, that's definitely it's definitely a very tradable instrument. For us, I have no idea. My commissions are the same as they were, so I have no idea what's happening on the trade of eight side of things, but on rhythmic side of things, they're the same. Nutty Wheeland, yes, you can. Apex Bull knocks my funded futures. This is how many accounts I traded this morning, and only one of them failed. Yay. You're on Tradeovate and the commissions are the same? That's I don't know. I don't know. How much was in the loss account? $2,500. So I was $100 away from withdrawal. And that's why it hurts the most because again, if the copy trader would have worked, I would have not have traded that account and I would have been requesting a payout on it. And that's how things just go in life. Yeah, a lot of people are talking about Bitcoin again. It's like no one talked about Bitcoin for so long, and now like even my like non-trader friends are asking me about it. I think Bitcoin mining is cool, but the graphics cards are just too expensive to make it worthwhile. Or Wow. That was nice bounce. So now I'm gonna change this. Oh. Hmm. I might have to. I might have to try a different platform. I don't know. I need to find a platform. But wait, is there any other platform that you could copy trade between prop firms? Um, just to show you guys again what happened this morning. So I don't know how well you could see this because okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. There you go. You guys could see that. Okay, right here, I have my bracket for long and bracket for short. The short orders did not copy, so it's only one order. All the buys copied, but the short ones did not. And I got filled into the short and I only got one account traded. So I have no idea what caused that, but that was the reason why there should have been equal amount of sell orders as buy orders. Lex, I know exactly. Lex, obviously I'm doing that with Quant Tower. I'm wondering about other prop firms. I mean, other. Nutty, are you watching? Because I'm talking Nutty on Discord. I want to send him a picture of it, but if he's watching, then there's no point of sending a picture. Okay, yes, I just sent you the picture, but I am going to give a task a try, maybe. Let me see. But problem is, I'm gonna download it and see. We'll give it a try. Zach, you have to go to my Discord. If you go to my Discord, you'll be able to get it. It's in How can I? It's like a plugin. I don't know where people got it from, but they shared it in my Discord. So no, the orders that never went through BPCF. That's what I thought at first. So if I didn't record the opening range trade, I would have thought that the price just dropped too fast, so I didn't get filled. But that's not the case. It's just frustrating. I just don't think I have any options to do what I do with my opening range trade. I don't think I could trade on any other platform. Yeah, those orders never got sent. Yeah. I need timed orders. So I place it at 9:30. Because the volatility could get so high right before open that there's a chance I would not have enough time to move the orders in, right before the open. And if I get filled into a trade before the open, and there's some people that have tried my opening range trade and they got filled into the trades early and they would fail or they would lose on the trades and they would wonder how I am winning all the time and they're losing. Yeah, I could build a bot for Ninja, but the thing is the strategy is not black and white. I use discretion as to where I'm placing the orders. So it's not like, I mean, I could try a bot. I mean, that would be the fastest way to make money, to sell a bot, right? But that's not what we are about. But honestly, guys, it's literally a cheat code. All these are basically wins except one loss. And that could have been easily a win. Yeah, it's a fluke, but it's just a terrible way to start the year because it's costing me a lot of money. Like I'm not talking about lost profit. I am now talking about a lost funded account that would have never been a lost funded account. It would have been a profitable one. And I would have increased the PNL on some of these accounts by 300. That would have allowed me to maybe get more payouts on Friday. Now there's almost no chance I could get more accounts to pay out. Unless some miracle happens. And I'm really aggressive. But it's okay. Again, don't want to dwell on it too much. I've gotten like 45K or 46K in payouts in 2023. So if I get a 20K payout this week in January, we're already ahead of the game. So gotta take the positive with the negative, and at the end of the day, the goal, if you watched my video from yesterday, is to make 150 grand this year, and that's just $11,000, $12,000 a month on average. Yeah, market spy. When I used to do that, I had to adjust. It was inconsistent when you just do it that way, what you just described. But again, you have to kind of see what works for you, and you have to back test and see what works for you. It's definitely not something that's people see it, they think it's easy, because they see me make money every day with it, but it's really there's a lot that goes into deciding where I'm placing the orders. I I've showed examples of it, but again, I don't want to spread it too much because there's things um in the PA agreements about the US Open and a lot of these prop firms. So I don't want to ruin that for everyone. Because I could make a lot of people profitable, believe it or not. I'm just not happy enough with that profit. So I continue trading, and then plus I stream, right? So if I'm streaming, I have to take other trades. But I could make a living off that one opening trade. Especially with what I would do is I would trade, let's say these 20 funded accounts, I would do 7 accounts a day and I'll rotate them. So I wouldn't trade them all at once. I would trade 7 one day, 7 next day. Because then if it doesn't work, I'll set a stop, maybe give myself 2 tries or 3 tries per account, or go just one contract, just do one contract and just do it every day on 10 accounts, one contract, make $100, and that's $1,000, and just do that every day. And I guarantee you by end of the year, it's going to be a great profitable year. Not an exciting one because it's very boring, but chill effects, no, there's not. You talking about European Union? Or what is that? UAE? I don't even know. Oh, I have no idea. Just I'll just reach out to one. Can you reach out to Apex? I know with TickTick you could definitely trade with them, but I think the biggest thing is how you get paid. Like what kind of forms of payments can you take? I think that's what it comes down to, really. Because people cry about wire transfer fees, but if they just did wire transfers, everything would be so much easier. Like you would have to pay, I think, $50 for a wire transfer. But I'm pretty sure you could send a wire transfer to any bank in the world. If I'm not mistaken, I might be mistaken. I don't know. But I feel like people would cry about the $50, so they rather have some kind of free transfer. And I think that's what's causing all these issues. I don't know. Yes, you could keep trading your account. Apex does not freeze the account at all between payouts. Yes, said. Unfortunately, not a good one for me. Hope you had a better day than me. All right, now we're getting really stagnant here. I don't know what to even think of this. Is 25K better than 50K? No. 25K, I don't think it's a good idea. For the money you pay, you might as well get the 50K. You get so much more drawdown. One loss on 25K and you're like scrambling. Obviously, some people have success with 25K, so you could do whatever you think is better, but you asked me the question, so I gave you my answer, but that's just my answer and my opinion. Everyone is going to have a different opinion, so some people see it as easier way to get a payout with 25K. Oh god, I have to get some food. I am hungry. Cone killer, but you're focusing on the target. You got to focus on the drawdown. Give you how much room do you have to make a mistake or to try to find the bottom, you know? Like if you try and find the bottom, like on the 25K, you have one chance. Especially if you trade minis. If you're gonna trade micros, then maybe, but if you're gonna trade micros, then I just don't see the point. I just don't see the point of the 25K. Man, what a bounce here. Yeah, so if you're trading 3 to 4 micros on 25K, you might as well trade 6 to 8 micros on the 50K, and the target is the same for the same price. Basically, it's the same price, but again, it's all opinion. Self-setter, that depends. It could be 1 day, it could be 7 days. For me, it's been 1 day because I've had many payouts before. Why do I not have a stop loss? Because I feel like I give myself the best chance to make profit by having a wide stop, which is basically not having one. Every time I use tight stops, I basically blow up the account, not get to payout and blow the account, and eventually I'm right on the trade. But since I stopped out, I was wrong. I get frustrated. Then it goes in my direction. Then I get back in. It's already too late. Then I lose again, and it's just a down spiral. So that's my. Um, what is the difference between the activation of 25K and 50K? The 25K and the 50K monthly is the same. It's $85 a month, or it's $10 difference for a lifetime. It's 130 versus 140, right? Or 140. Yeah, it's 130 and 140. But it's very, yeah, kid poker. It's very easy to just say, hey, Google, tell me for Apex activation, what are the costs? And it will tell you exactly the costs. Like literally the first page on Google is the breakdown of the costs. I still can't believe I didn't get filled in my trades this morning. Oh man, this is like, it's like a no man's land right now. None of my trades got filled. Only one out of 9 accounts. Only one account got filled. The orders didn't go through. Right, so the orders actually did not go through. I didn't know that till basically right here you could see all the buys, but only one sell. And of course, there was the opening range trade worked to the downside, and I only got filled in one. I got so excited. I was like, "Oh, what a fast win!" And I look, I'm like, "Oh, only up $300 on one account. What a difference!" So I'm gonna start the year with the red day. Yeah, only the leader account got filled, and I have no idea why. Because now when I place the orders, so when I place the orders now, they all go through. Actually, no. See, there's like a delay between I don't know what's happening. Why is that? That's not good. You see that, guys? How it... What's going on? I know it's never given me this issue before, so let me delete like a couple accounts and see. No, it's still doing it. I actually prefer that, Nutty Wheeland, because then I know it's just a local order. Yeah, it could be the rhythmic, but it's weird. I'm actually gonna maybe restart the connection or restart Quant Tower. I don't know. Oh, just annoying. Just annoying. How much am I going to request? We'll find out. We'll find out how many accounts we could get to pay out. Right now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right now it's 16,000. So I want to get at least 20. I think $20,000 payout is still gonna be decent, even though it's not gonna be what I aimed for. A scheduled order, yes, only one will show up. That's always the case because that's a scheduled order. The order didn't go through yet. How copy trader works is like the order has to go through and then it will copy into the other accounts. The other accounts don't even know that the order is there. Oh man, I was muted. Why was I muted? I haven't touched the mic. I didn't feel like I touched it. All right, let's go again then. All right, so see how it's only one order right now? You have one order because it's local, it's not live. So the other accounts don't know they're supposed to be they should have an order because the Rhythmic didn't send it yet. In 1 second, it's gonna go live. Now it's live, and boom, all the orders show up for all the follower accounts. And you saw how quick that was, and that's how it should be. And unfortunately, that was not the case for my opening range trade this morning. And that's the first time I've had that issue that I've noticed. Because it's not like I've had issues where I would select the wrong account. I didn't turn on the copy trader. I've had issues on my own that I've made mistakes. But today, again, all the buy orders went through, but the sell orders didn't. So instead of getting filled in 9 accounts, I got filled in 1. Yay! No, not Wheeland. Nope, nope, nope. That's what I thought happened. Thank God for the recording. If I didn't record the open, that's what I thought. That's what I would have thought happened, but that wasn't the case. Because I got filled like 10 seconds after the open. Oh, what a bounce. I'm gonna go short at 780. I mean, 790. I'm gonna start now. Why not? Think it's gonna bounce up this line here too. Let's extend that a little bit. No, what happened? See how like these two peaks, they match this? Like, it's crazy. I don't use Fibonacci, so the white line is a 200 moving average. Which white line? This one or the channel? Oh, it might, yeah. Apex copier is for Ninja Trader. I'm using Quantower. Quantower has its own copy trader. Is it gonna break this candle or is it not? Nope, it will not break this candle. Mm, du- 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 du. I just saw something I'm reading. All right, sorry guys, I was distracted, but then I want to sell off. And again, the price channel works like charm. So you draw it off the bottom here, and it matches the highs to perfection. Like, it's crazy how that works. At least for a short time being, because that just recovered really fast. We got 240 viewers. Let me see how many likes we got. Maybe I should do a giveaway for New Year's. Let's give away 180% off account. Let me see how many likes we got though. All depends how many likes we got and how well you guys are abusing the like button. Let me pull up the stream. 80 likes. Okay, let's get to 100 and we did 150 last time. We got 245 people watching, 250 people watching. So to give away a 50K eval, we'll get to 175 likes first, okay? 175 likes. I don't know why I can't pin my own. I can't pin my own comment. It's so weird. I'm gonna order some lunch. All right, ordered some lunch. Thanks for using my code, guys. Much appreciate that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video from yesterday. If you did not watch my video from yesterday, if you guys could hit a like button on it, that would be appreciated. I'm gonna try to do more videos on a consistent basis, talking about different topics. Because I've been live streaming a lot and just have not been posting videos. You just go to settings for the quant tower, orders to show up. You go to settings, you got positions, you show positions, show orders, show trades, and show stop loss and take profit. You got to make sure that this is checked off. Are Tick Trader direct accounts any good? Yes, I love the Tick direct accounts. I mean, is it really worth it? It depends. The fast payouts are great, but you have to be able to grow those accounts fast because you still have to make the profit threshold first before you could get a payout. This market is really wanting to go up. Yeah, that's something that's annoying. You cannot trade the account when the payout's processed, so you'll lose a day and a half of trading every time you request a payout. But if you could, if you could get over that, or if you have multiple prop firms, then for me, an issue with that was that was the only account I had at the time, so I couldn't trade, and I felt like I was missing out on profits, right? So now if I have multiple accounts, I wouldn't really care about it too much. The main reason I wouldn't do a direct account right now is because I don't make a lot of profit in one single day, so I don't benefit from the fast payouts. Gail, how long do I usually stream? I usually stream till like 3 o'clock. Sometimes even 4 o'clock. Like last week I did till 4 o'clock because it was slower. So I would take a break during lunch and then come back at 3:30 p.m. just to yeah, direct accounts are expensive too, yeah. But yeah, I would come back at like 3:30 just to trade the last 10 minutes of volatility. Alrighty then, that was a big rejection. I don't want to just react to one candle, so let's see. But if you're gonna blow express accounts, then you're gonna blow the direct funded account, and that becomes very expensive. The direct account is only good if you're consistent. Yeah. Yeah, William, it takes time. It takes time to get there. Just don't copy trade. Just take your time. And speaking of funded accounts, I don't know why my why is my Top Step account not activated? I paid like on Wednesday or Thursday. is it not active? And that's why I don't want to react to one candle, because right back up it goes. I mean, it has so much room to go down, but it's got to break down first. Right now, shorts are in trouble. All right, what do you think? What are you gonna do, market? Come on. Yeah, so Top Step is taking forever to activate accounts. They said they were a lot of people are on holiday break, so they were short on staff. That's why I love Apex. Apex is so automated. It's amazing. Automation is key. Happy New Year to you too, Ricky. Hoping that your day started better than mine. I had a rough morning, but I'm not gonna dwell on it too much. Damn, I have no idea. Yeah, if you scalped earlier and you didn't blow an account or didn't lose, that's good. I guess you were shorting the whole time. Today was definitely a good short opportunity. But it's crazy how price just 12 o'clock and the price just dies down. Let's do a check on Nutty. How is Nutty doing? He's green. Nice.
I
330.
gave him too much credit. Hey, Joe Flack.
Volatility trading, Tim. It's done. I don't know, guys. This is like the perfect trading opportunity for scalping, but I'm scared. Like, this is like the price action I want. The overlapping candles, the chop. But I feel like we're just moments away from a breakout to one direction. Euro closes at 11:30. Okay. Yeah. It definitely brings down the volatility, but I am definitely short biased as well. It bounced 100 points. I think it might want to go down before it goes up. Yeah, Tim. Yeah, guys, if we get to 175 likes, we'll do a 50K evaluation giveaway. So only 55 more likes. I'm waiting for my lunch to get delivered. All right, here we go. Oh, ABF, I've heard of an issue. You're on Tradeovate, right? Hopefully I didn't buy the dip into a rip. Yeah, I've heard a couple of people had issues with that. Something happened on the Tradeovate, but yeah, this was not a good entry here. I need to follow through. Yeah, I should have bought that dip instead of. But I'm scared. I'm long. Definitely short biased. Just because we bounced 100 points off the lows. I know we could go all the way back up to the highs, but I'm not looking for much. Five-minute chart looks like it could drop, but it's holding up. See how it's holding up? I mean, it's not doing anything crazy. It's just in this chop. I need a one big candle to flush down, and then we go. You could do it. Damn. They said, nope, not today. Wait, what? Was that close? I didn't even notice it was that close to fill. Now it's gonna break. Like it's getting a little heavy now. Yep. And you could just sense that there's something going on in that price action. Like I don't know if you guys noticed that, but there was something going on there. I knew it was gonna break. Big move down. Nope. I'll take that off there. Dzięki, pozdrawiam. Szczęśliwego nowego roku. All right, so that's good. This account's almost at payout. Sounds good progress on it. So then I could do the opening range trade on it, and because I have, so we have Wednesday, Thursday, so 3 more days. So that's 300 times 3. That's $900. So all right, so let me trade this account next. I got my lunch is here. I'm gonna go get it. Be right back. All right, lunch is here. Love my chicken teriyaki. I am surprised that the 80% off sale is only for like 3 days. What's going on, Bobby? Good afternoon. Do they have more evals lined up to become PAs? No, I don't. Nope. I used up my reserves. I have evals that I have to trade, but well, Bobby, I have 20 accounts, so I still could get a 40K payout, but it's not gonna happen. I had a big issue with the copy trader this morning, so I didn't get into all my trades. Only one account got into it. I missed out on $2,400 worth of profit across the other accounts, so kind of frustrated. And then I lost an account that was ready for a payout. Yeah, Bobby, I'm gonna request hopefully at least 20K on Friday. So that's not bad. Not the best, but it's going to be my best ever payout. So I'll take it. My best ever payout right now is $10,750. So I would basically be doubling it. So I have to be kind of happy with that. And Sorry, guys, just trying to finish this lunch. All right, that was good. Let's see if we get a follow through here. This was a trap for some shorts. There we go. Nice. All right. So I'm gonna switch accounts. Up 590 on this account. That's a good result. One second, guys. All right, lunch break is gone. All right, let's get some more trades in here on this account. Try to get like 300 bucks on this account. So this is the account I'm going to be trading currently. Tim, did you buy the dip? This was like the dip you were looking for, and I bet you on the 5-minute, it's right at the EMA. Yep. Right to the EMA. Let's see what the ES looks like. Actually, I want to see what the YM looks like. YM is very wild this morning. From 6 a.m. Wow, what a sell-off here. Oh, let's see what we got here. I think we might continue higher. Wow, what a breakout. The Apex website is down? I've never seen Apex website being down. Maybe I don't go on it a lot. It's up for me. I have no idea, Andres. Esther, Happy New Year to you as well. Welcome. How's your day? How's your start to the year? Wow, what a perfect dip and rip. Uh, I'm gonna- I took it on my other account. I'm already out. Oh wait, did I take it? No, I took it to a short side. No, I took it only to a short. I didn't take it long. I love longing the tops, you know? Longing the top is the Alpine way. But my thesis is that the confirmation was here that the dip was indeed a trap, and if it was a trap, it should continue higher. It should break out to like 800 at least. Yeah, the ES exactly. Same pattern that I'm looking for here. Well, I definitely longed it at the top. Great. Yeah, if I would have shorted that, I would have broke out. That's the problem. Yeah, I closed my stock account. I withdrew the money from it. I finished the year up like 10 grand, I think. So it's not really, it's no point for me to even bother. Too much stress for 10 grand. Especially the way the stocks have been doing right now. This was my last year's trading with stocks. 9.6K. But I made like $1,500 in my other broker, but just not good. And this is terrible. This trade is terrible. I got caught. So I need a bounce here. Damn. Why am I doing this to myself on the first day of the year? Buying the highs like an idiot. You gotta be kidding me. I need 10 ticks. An uptick of 10 ticks. and I can't get it because it just goes right back down. Oh, this account's gonna be gone. It's 3 contracts already. Yep, that's what I thought. Charles, I thought was gonna break out. Oh well, that's gonna be 2 accounts gone. Well, I guess just the opening range trade for the rest of the week. Not good, not good. Just no confidence whatsoever. Not the start to the year I wanted, but yeah, terrible. It's gonna fall apart now. This was a long trap. It wasn't a short trap. It's very obvious that it's gonna fall apart. It's gonna end up probably at 720s. This was a long trap and a half. That's what the market wants to do. It wants to trap, so it rotates, and we thought this was a short trap. It was not. It was a weak. This was a pretty big trap here, but if I lose this account, guys, I'm probably gonna call it a stream and just go to the gym and get back at it tomorrow because there's no point of trading more today. It's pretty much the worst possible start to the year, but just gonna keep trucking along. Gotta stay positive, not get down on myself too much, and get better in tomorrow. Can't be making mistakes like that. It's just not. That's not how you become a profitable trader, by buying the highs at the resistance levels. It just doesn't work. Long term, breakouts always fail. And then not a single ad worked out either. So in those situations, it's pretty much a failure, guaranteed. How I survive these moves is when the ads end up working. So if I would have added, gone out, added, gone out, I start bringing the average down, that's when I survive. When I just get caught in 3 contracts, there's just no survival. Yeah, and then tomorrow the breakout's gonna work. That's the beauty of the Nasdaq. But all right, guys, this is definitely not gonna work. This is gonna end up at 720s. It's never easy, my friend. It's never easy. What a shit show of a day. Just because the copy trader didn't work. Damn. Unbelievable. Well, at least I'm going to the gym early today, so that's gonna be a positive start to the year. All right, guys, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna be on for 10 more minutes answering questions, and I'm gonna call it. I am done for the day, unfortunately. The worst possible start to the year. It's exactly what I didn't want to happen. It exactly happened. A nightmare scenario, but been there before. We'll be here again. So just gotta move on. I'm gonna request the payouts and got 19 PAs left. 19 PAs left. No more PAs to replace them with, so I'll be at 19 now. I do not have a verdict on the copy trader. It's basically unknown issue that happened. No idea what happened. Out of my control. This, on the other hand, terrible. The worst possible trade. I always blow accounts on the worst possible trades. There's just never. It's just when you trade so much throughout the day, you're gonna make stupid mistakes. But all I had to do is go short there. There's as simple as that. Just go short. Go long here. Don't go long there. Like, why would you go long at resistance? That's just the dumbest way of trading. And like, we make that mistake and then we realize it afterwards. But like, it's so obvious in hindsight. But we still make it. We're gonna not make it for the next few days, and then we're gonna go and make it again in 2 weeks. And that's what happens in trading. You kind of get complacent, you get comfortable, and it's whatever. That's why I don't dwell on it. I'm pissed about the copy trader this morning. That's all I'm pissed about. The rest, I don't really care, because if I would have made money on the copy trader or on the opening trade, I'm not trading any of the accounts I just lost. I would have been trading the other accounts that are very far from payouts still. Like the newer accounts. So if I would have lost those, then it's whatever. I'm still getting my $26,000 payout on Friday. But today was possibly the worst start to a year I've ever had in my trading career. So, because I remember having a really, really bad January 1st or 2nd, whatever. First day of trading in January, I don't remember ever being this bad. And again, guys, it's not about the lost accounts, right? It's about the copy trader not working, leading to the blown accounts. I mean, something that works every single day didn't work today. Not that the trade didn't work, the copy trader didn't work. It caused me to lose accounts that were ready for payout because I didn't grow the cushion on them with the opening range trade. And that is what's frustrating. Other than that, there's nothing. The lost accounts, whatever. This trade really dumb. The first trade I lost on, I mean, I think I longed it like here or something, whatever. Don't care. This one, very stupid trade. Should have stuck to the short side. This pattern kind of confused me, right? If this would have fell apart here, I think that would have been better. But the fact that this held up here kind of gave me the conviction that it's going to be a long, but it's not. This copy trader's not. Nah, I don't know what the issue was. Just the orders didn't copy. So only one account went through. So I have no idea what caused it. I have no idea what the issue was. Never had that issue before, or that I noticed of that issue before. So basically I placed an order. I placed an order for long and short. All the longs were put in. The short, there's only one. I don't know how. I don't know why. No clue. Only one order. That's all I get filled. Of course, the trade wins. I look, I'm only up $300 instead of $2,700. But I'm not gonna dwell on it too much. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go to the gym at 2 o'clock and then I'll be back tomorrow. I just don't feel like sitting here and looking at charts now, because now I'm gonna try to trade, and I don't think I should be trading for the rest of the day. I don't know what the market conditions are gonna be later on, but for now I don't read the market correctly. I've been struggling with 2 accounts. I might have to use a stop loss for the rest of the week, not to lose more accounts. Just do $1,000 max loss, or 1,250 maybe. So like I've given myself 2 chances. No, like 1,200 maybe. I'll do $1,200 loss maybe, something like that. Actually, no, 1,000 is good, because then if you're up on the day and the trailing drawdown gets you, so $1,000 max loss maybe should be implemented. I don't know, but the dream is crushed, guys. The dream is crushed for a big payout in January, unfortunately. Naughty wheeling. Sometimes you just have to restart. That's weird, but I've had instances where I couldn't find NQ in the drop down. Johnny B, that's not gonna happen. Those accounts are not gonna qualify for payout. But I am still gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm still gonna get 18K. Tomorrow, I might go all in these 2 accounts and try. But we'll see. 18K is still good, but then these accounts are gonna be basically depleted, so it's just not gonna be a pretty picture. But at least I'll have 20K more in my bank account to start the year, Okay, I've been down a lot. I try not to think about those things, because every time I do use a stop loss, I blow an account. There's just proven track record of that, because it's not like I haven't tried. I found my consistency when I didn't use stops, or at least they're not, But when you long up here, I mean, what do you expect? Like, what are you gonna expect? Especially with this volatility. But anyway, guys, I am gonna call it a day. We didn't get 275 likes, did we? No, we're short on the likes, so we're not gonna do a giveaway, but hopefully tomorrow. So the first stream that we reach 175, yeah, I'll give it 2 more minutes. If you guys want to hit that like and we get to 175 likes, I'll give away a 50K eval. Unfortunately, the worst possible start to the year for me, but I gotta just keep my head up. I gotta do the opening range trade as aggressively as possible till it stops working. The opening range trade is what's saving me currently. And it's crazy because I literally used to scalp all day and not lose on a single trade, make $15,000 in 20 accounts. It's crazy how like one day things work and then the next day things just don't work. It's what makes NQ so difficult. You know, like I've literally had $15,000 days scalping all day, eyes closed, 6 ticks, 8 ticks, easiest thing ever. And next day, can't even get 5 ticks, you know, once. It's crazy how it works. I don't think it's holiday weeks. I'm talking about in general. Nah, they're not watching. But yeah, guys, it's 1 o'clock, so unfortunately I have to end this stream early today, just so I could get back on track with the gym um and then I don't want to trade for the rest of the day. And I know if I sit here, I will trade, so I'm just so disappointed in the morning. The morning trade really just set me off to the bad start. And it is what it is. I'm not gonna make excuses anymore. Just not worth it. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to pass a couple evals. I don't know what you mean by that, but yes, you could do a trailing stop loss, of course. You could just every time the price goes in your direction, the stop will just follow it. I don't know if that's what you mean, but is Nutty still on? Yeah, Nutty is still on, so you guys could go over there, tell him I sent you guys. Say hello to Nutty. And I'll see everyone tomorrow. All right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Unfortunately, not the day I wanted to start with, but it's only uphill from here. And it could also be worse. So, not going to complain because I still am getting a lot of payouts, still can have a great month. So, if we complain about this and it gets a lot worse, then we wish we could still be where we are now. So, I keep it real, like unlike 90% of traders, and I still got more payouts than Patrick Wheeland, and that's amazing. I got more payouts than Patrick Wheeland in 2023, and I don't make it seem like I make millions trading like he does. Trading is hard, guys. It's always going to be hard. All right, guys. Much love. Peace out, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.